So what I got here is the one and only Xiaomi 12T Pro Daniel Arsham Edition. And guys, I'm super amazed with the amount of details that are in this back cover here. At first glance, I thought it was like 2D sticker on it, but no, it's not. The texture of it, when you touch it, it's like, whew, I can't get my hands off it. Even for the box, it's an art piece where you can just place it as a sculpture box. Even unboxing it, it feels so premium. Check it out. This is a magnet box, so it can securely fasten it. Wow. When you open up the box, it's like you get endless surprise opening it up one by one. This is the charger and its cable. So if you see here, it combines with crystal, volcanic ash and selenite bronze. The texture here just feels like a timepiece. And I'm not going to go into the specs here because the specs is exactly like the normal Xiaomi 12T Pro here. If I will have one, I'll just place it in my room as a sculpture, not as a smartphone, because it's too nice to use it. So what do you think about this Xiaomi 12T Pro Daniel Arsham Edition? Let us know in the comments below, and I'm Jersey. I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao!